Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope everybody's having a great Christmas so far and all your Christmas wishes are coming true. I just wanted to make a quick video. I usually don't post my Christmas gifts, but this year I wanted to because there are some cool Christmas gifts and some very, very special Christmas gifts from a few people. So I'm going to take you through what I got really quick and a few thank yous to everybody for what they did. First up, this is from my mom, my mother-in-law. She knows I am a huge Harry Potter fan, so she got me this cool little platform 9 3/4 symbol that comes with a little hanger on here. So I'm gonna have to figure out where this is gonna go on a wall. Battery powered, lights up. I like this. It's very, very cool. Thank you, Mother. And next up from Kelly and Kenny, the Proxxon Hotwire table cutter. So now I'll be able to do that resin diorama that I wanted to do. This is very, very cool. Been wanting one of these for a while, so thank you very much, Kelly and Kenny. And from Omar and Deb, Omar's got my Resin Addiction going. This way I could swap out between clears and grays or whatever color resin I'm doing in extra vat. So he remembered I said this a while back, and thank you very much, Omar and Deb, for getting this and keeping up the Resin Addiction. And my buddy Shu with the surprise gift of the 1/350 scale Kitinga. Now I got to build a diorama, Shu. We got to do 2 Kitingas going at one time. That would be pretty darn crazy. But thank you very much. This is an awesome kit. Maybe I could try to get little Kenny to build along with me. You know, I'll give him the first one and I'll build this one and we'll see what we can do. But awesome kit. Thank you very much, Shu. Always a nice surprise at Christmas from you. Okay, Mom being sneaky again. My mother-in-law, Elaine, you all know, being sneaky again and talking to Omar and Deb, finding out what model kits I like. And yes, the Yamato is definitely a kit that I was looking for. This is the 1/500 scale kit. Very, very cool kit. So thank you again, Mother, for another cool present. I got a lot of big kits to build. Okay, now here comes the, I'm sorry if the mic's out of the way a little bit, but here comes the ones that got me emotional and made me cry a bit. Okay, so this is, I think Kelly was involved in this too on the live stream that I was talking about my dad and his favorite plane, one of the P-38. So this was a little covert operation by Shu, Omar, and Kelly. And I thank you guys very, very much for this this gift. I'll be building this definitely in the memory of Dad and doing hopefully a good job for him. And yes, this is awesome. I can't say thank you enough for getting this kit for me. It is very, very cool of you guys to do that. And there's something else that goes along with this kit. And they snuck around and got the Big Ed set to go with it so I can actually go crazy with this kit and make it really, really nice and take my time on it. So thank you very much, guys, Omar, Kelly, and Shu, for sneaking around and getting this for me. And I have one more kit that made me cry and get emotional too. I have to say, you guys are just incredible. Steve over at the Maker's Cave, he was watching that video about my dad. Also, he sent me a beautiful letter from him and his wife in the package. This wasn't a Christmas present, but I did hold on to it until Christmas. So now I have 2 of the Lockheed P-38Ls. Yeah, I got emotional with this one too. So now I can build 2 different variations and put 2 up for Dad. So this is very, very nice of you, Steve. Steve and your wife, thank you so much. It's ridiculous what you guys do for me. You guys made it a great Christmas. Not that it wasn't a great Christmas being with my family and everything like that, but you guys made it a lot better, and it just shows that you guys are always listening to me, even though I ramble on about nothing. So thank you so much, guys. So that was the Christmas haul for this year, and it's these are all special presents. I really appreciate what you guys have done for me. Look out for this afternoon sometime. I'm not sure what time because we're cooking and stuff like that, but we are going to have the Christmas giveaway for the community members. I have to get all the guys in the wheel and get that all set up. So again, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. You guys made this Christmas very special, knowing everything that's going on around this time of year. So thank you again, and I will see you all sometime tonight. Take care and bye-bye, everybody.